In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, scroll down to access apps, click on default apps, and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, browser app. Now just click on your new installed app that you wish to apply and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!